Today I'm showing you two sweet table tie yoga massage moves to massage the neck and the shoulders. It's effortless, it's incredibly effective, and it's coming right up. Hey everybody, this is Shai Plonsky. I am the founder of the Still Light Center, School of Thai Yoga Massage, and today, as I said, I'm showing you effortless and incredibly effective ways to massage your partner's neck and shoulder on a massage table. Table Thai Yoga massage, it is an effortless kind of massage. It reduces the strain on your knees, on your body, as far as giving a Thai massage if you're used to giving it on the mat and how we bring it up. But also, it's all about using your hands as little as possible. We know that people love to get their shoulders massaged and their necks too. It's one of the most important parts of the body to massage. It's probably the #1 reason that people even come for massages. And it's not only for professionals here, it's at home. You're like, oh sweetie, can you please just massage my neck and my shoulders? And that tension, and it builds and it builds. Now, if you have a massage table at home, or even on a bed and you want to sit in front of the bed, you'll see in the video how I'm sitting for part of this. All you need to be able to do is sit comfortably at the head of your partner so that your forearm and your elbow are in a comfortable position right in front of you. As long as you can set that up at home, you don't even need a massage table to do that. And then you'll just see how incredibly effective you can massage your partner with really no strain at all. Now, this is part of a whole sequence that I've been showing about table Thai yoga massage. You can find this links to the whole sequence posted up above or down below on my YouTube channel. But this one, you know, if you just have 5 minutes to give someone an incredible massage and address key areas, this is probably #1 on the list. So I encourage you to check it out, and I want to hear from you. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, please post them below in the chat, and just let's hear what you think. I'm going to bring my chair. You might want it. And then starting though, I'm going to be standing. I'm going to do some palm presses. One shoulder, then the other. Then I'll sit. Remember that seated warrior that we did yesterday? So, if I'm going to do this shoulder, I'm going to use the arm that allows me to roll away from the neck. Okay, this arm, if I roll, it's going to just take me right into the neck. That's awkward feeling. Or it'll be awkward for me to roll away from the shoulder. So with a little practice, it'll become clear which one you want to use. Start right where the shoulder meets the neck. Sink in, and again, you could start with circles and little shakes, and then hold, and then roll away from the neck. And again, if you want to use palm into your forearm, you can do that as well.
That helps your balance too.
My balance?
Your balance.
All in all, it just feels way easier on my balance.
Oh.
You can also roll in this position here. Go a little bit more on the back of the shoulder. And again, you can do that on both sides. And then we're going to finish off, for now, with a little neck massage. So, just hanging out here. It's real simple. I don't want you to squeeze your thumb and your fingers together. If your fingers are doing something, your thumbs should be relaxed. And if your thumbs are doing something, your fingers should be relaxed. So in this way, you can just give that neck a nice little massage. So right now, I'm using my fingers to make circles on one side of the neck. So my thumbs aren't doing anything. And then now maybe my thumbs are doing something. So my fingers are more relaxed. As far as we're going for now. Well, I hope that you like that, and I hope you practice it. Please leave your comments and your questions below. I would love to hear what you think, and if you agree with me that it is so incredibly easy and effective to massage your partner's neck and shoulders in a table Thai yoga massage using your forearms, your elbows, and your fingertips. If you are interested in learning more in person, please click to stilllightcenter.com/calendar. You can see all the places that I teach. If you are someone who offers courses, whether you're a massage school, a yoga studio, or just want to partner together to offer these incredible courses to your community, also please get in touch with me. Whether it's me or someone in my team, we would love to come and share this with you. Wishing you incredible massages. We'll see you soon.